Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Pillow. Today we are going to learn draw shapes and lines on images with Pillow Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we have the code for drawing the shapes. Whether we have to create a drawing object first, then draw a red line, green rectangle, blue ellipse, yellow circle, whatever you want to add you can just add like this. Okay, so let's have a look and how to draw the shapes on the image. This is for the code, right? So let's go to our code base and comment this one previous code, and let's add the code over there. Save the image, combine images dot png. Okay, so here we are creating the rectangle, ellipse, circle, polygon, and red line also. So name the image. Okay, save it and let's run it. Here you can see the red line, the rectangle, the circle, the polygon. Okay, so everything is added. Here you can see that, right? So this is how you can draw the shapes. Let's understand the code. So draw red lines. So these are the coordinates that we have to pass for the rectangle. This is that one. Okay, outline. So the color that you have to pass. Same with the ellipse, same with the yellow circle. Okay, and next width means now draw the magenta polygon with the help of this. So these are the coordinates that you have to pass to draw it on your images, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.